We're at BSAVA 2013. It's our 16th consecutive year as PPS. We're here to provide the advice and to extend the advice to existing and new clients in the development of their practice. We are unique. We believe that we are the only consultancy of our kind that is 100% dedicated to the profession. All of our clients, without exception, are practicing veterinary surgeons or staff employed within those businesses. The most important aspect of what we offer is to try and improve the profitability of the practice. And whilst it's very true to say that more people can come through the door, there is a recession out there. And as a result of that, we are looking at addressing the fixed costs that the business is incurring and trying to drive those down across a number of aspects. And this is where we are very much required and sought after by our veterinary practice clients. It would be naive to think that the banking crisis hasn't had an adverse effect on the veterinary profession. It clearly has done. Before 2008, the banks were very happy to lend to virtually any veterinary proposition without very often any tangible security. Subsequently, things have become quite a lot more difficult. We have been through a period where the banks were very reluctant to lend, and we believe that we're now coming out the other side, and I can guarantee that funding is available for the vast majority of veterinary projects. This could be partnership, could be a purchase, it could be a development project, and the money is available, but it's most important to use expert veterinary consultancy services, and these people should know the veterinary lending market in detail, because that will give you, as a practitioner, a much better chance, A, of getting the money, and B, getting the right terms and conditions attached to your loan. Once a practitioner has taken a significant loan to make an acquisition, partnership, purchase, or what have you, it's crucially important, indeed it is a condition of the offer, that the applicant has adequate insurance protection. The last thing the bank want, the last thing we would want, and the last thing the vet would want is to have a tragic accident or to be killed, leaving a legacy of debt to his next of kin. So protecting that debt is crucially important. We are, of course, fully independent advisors. We can access the whole of the market, provide advice that's relevant for the practitioner in his or her occupation, and make sure that that cover is set up. This then extends as the practice develops into partnership cover, directors' share purchase assurance. Income protection is crucial for a veterinary practitioner to make sure that if they are disabled in the long term, their standard of living is maintained. PPS provides a wide range of services to veterinary practitioners. We almost adopt a cradle-to-grave approach. We meet the practitioners when they become qualified. We see them join their first practice. We see them go through and develop their career, take on a partnership or an equity position in a business. And of course, that goes full circle to when they start to then accumulate wealth in the later years. That's when our wealth management platform very much comes into play. Our platform now has assets in excess of £60 million of veterinary surgeons' investments sitting on it in a range of pensions, ISAs or general accounts, and these accounts are managed very actively on a quarterly basis. So every client gets a quarterly review, update and recommendations to change their portfolio if it's relevant. This is crucial. Added to that, we have a number of retired practitioners and more retired practitioners using our investment platform to feed their income to them on a controlled basis. So as we would like to think, we have a cradle-to-grave approach within the veterinary profession. We have been through the retail distribution review at the end of 2012, beginning of 2013, and that hasn't caused us any issues whatsoever. The retail distribution review is the FSA insisting that we work with our clients on a totally clear, open and transparent basis, so that any work that we give or provide to them on an investment basis, the costs associated with this are totally clear and laid out to the client. This is, we see, to the benefit of the investor in the long term, and we've been very happy to embrace it. In closing, I'd like to say we are immensely proud of the fact that we have achieved the status of corporate chartered financial planners. This is an extremely rare recognition given to independent financial advisors. It is in reward for our attention to detail, our compliance, the qualifications that our senior team hold, and that stands us in very good stead into the future. If you'd like any more help or information concerning our company and the services that we offer the profession, please have a look at our website, pps-vet.co.uk. There you'll find a full range of products and services that are veterinary bespoke, and also the names and the contact numbers of anybody that you could possibly want to contact to help you. Thank you.